Hello everyone! Hello Pilipinas! Mabuhay! Today we are celebrating Good Friday. He wants you to know that He will never leave you nor forsake you, and always remember that He will leave the 99 just to rescue you, just to rescue me. Today, the Lord wants you to know that He loves you so much. He loves you and me, and in the midst of pandemic, let's keep our faith burning. Let's put our trust only in Jesus, only in Him, and let's always remember that He is still in control during this time. I would just like to share with you a dish. One of my favorites is Spanish sardines, but there's no available Spanish sardines somewhere else. We need to go to Asian store just to get that, but we are in quarantine, so we're not allowed to go out and go to Asian store just to buy for that. So the dish that I'll be sharing with you today is Spanish sardines. That is homemade, and that is my own version. So I will cook it in my favorite pot, the electric skillet of Salad Master. Hope you like it and hope you enjoy it. Here are the ingredients: mackerel or milkfish, carrots, garlic stuffed green olives, pickles, red and green bell pepper, bay leaves, garlic, fish sauce, crushed and whole peppercorn, salt, olive oil. Since there is no chili, we can use crushed red pepper, and of course water.